Okay, everybody, I'm going to be doing some Codecademy, and I'm going to stream this while talking about it because I need to remember to practice my actual coding every day. This provides a nice structured environment for anybody that is intimidated by the prospect of coding. They set you inside of a sandbox to give you an IDE, an interactive developer environment where you can execute actual code, and the structured questions will give you a path towards learning the important skills. So this one, mean versus median. The question asked me is the company you work for wants to know the average amount of time somebody spends on the company website in minutes. They imported this data set as time spent. So let's run this thing, and it's huge. It looks to be a comma separated value set, maybe? Oh yeah, it's a CSV. Okay. And instead of pressing run, I was able to press Control Enter, which is a Jupyter Notebook shortcut. Find the average amount of time and save it to the variable minutes mean. Minutes mean equals. Okay, so I imported NumPy as NP, and I learned that the method is called mean. That's the arithmetic mean, and I can perform this on the array. So when we have very straightforward code like this, it's so easy to get things done. And now to find the median of the array, minutes mean. So variable equals library alias dot method and array. Boom and done. Oops. Reading comprehension. Okay, much better. Print the mean and median to the terminal. Dude, what the hell? Tell me this again? I just printed both of them. Solution. Son of a gun, I just did it. Okay, so there's a bug in this thing. Didn't recognize when I was writing the code. Okay, so I have a mean and a median, and when I'm looking at the data set, I can see that there's a lot of outliers over here, which makes the mean not representative of the data set. Just at a glance, I can tell this is small numbers with a few outliers, so I need to remember the place of mean versus median. And let's pretend like I got that right, and let's go to the next question. Percentiles. Median is the middle of a data set number for which 50% is below and 50% is above. What if we wanted to find a point where 40% is below and 40% is above? This type of point is called a percentile. The nth percentile is defined as the point n% of samples lie below it. Very good. So the point where 40% of samples are below is called the 40th percentile. Very good. All right, let's see how we can apply this to an array. Okay, so we have an array. It has 11 numbers. 40 percentile will have 40% will have 40% of the 10 remaining numbers below it. Go on what? And 60% above it. 60% of 10. What the hell? Oh, right. Okay. Jesus. So if we sorted the thing, it would be 4. Oh, so you don't include the number itself. All right. In NumPy, we can calculate percentiles using the function np.percentile. Excellent. np.percentile. Boom. And I'm gonna hashtag this. Hashbang. Okay. Percentile. I need to study more about percentiles. Let's make a note of this in my Google Docs. All right. Hey, good news for the journal. Finally got through the categorical trends in Khan Academy without any mistakes. Now working through NumPy in Codecademy. np.mean, np.median, np.percentile. Need more study on the role of percentiles. Back. Okay, so let's do this exercise and we'll call it a night, I guess. Public library wants to study how many hours a week their patrons use the computers. Okay. So these patrons equals np.array. Okay, so I have hours for each of the patrons. 30th percentile of the sorted array. Okay. Sorted array. Okay. 30th percentile equals np.percentile sorted dot patrons. Let's see if that works. No, that's not what I'm supposed to use. Can I have a hint? Or does it even need to be sorted? Let me see what's happening over here. What? I didn't have any other instructions here. Oh, so sad. I can't even do the first thing. Sorted. Okay. What the hell? I don't have to sort it? Oh, goodness gracious. I didn't read. Okay. Reading comprehension, still a problem. Here we go. Alright, there's the format. Hashbang np.percentile array percentile. Jesus. Here we go. 30th percentile equals np.percentile patrons 30. Boom. Okay, let's get on with this. Goodness gracious. 70th percentile equals np. percentile. Patrons 70. Print 30th percentile, print 70th percentile. Yay! Okay guys, we'll do this again tomorrow or later.